Do you want to know how you can provide feedback to QuillBot? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can use QuillBot and provide feedback to them. Go ahead and open any type of browser you have. Then go to QuillBot.com and log into your account. After that, click on any of these. And on the right hand side, you can see something like feedback. Go ahead and tap on it. As soon as you tap on it, you can see some of the questions, comments, they are there to hear. So you can write something like, so after you write something like this, go ahead and click submit. You can see that it says you thanks for taking the time to write, your feedback matters. So you have submitted a feedback to QuillBot. Let me show it to you once again. Open QuillBot and click on any of these. After that, go to feedback and write down whatever you want or whatever complaints or questions or comments you have which you want to provide to QuillBot. After you write it, go ahead and click submit, and then your feedback will be provided to QuillBot, and in a while or soon in a few days, QuillBot will respond to you via your email which you have registered to QuillBot. So guys, this is how you provide feedback to QuillBot. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.